इतनी गीली होगी। So the thing with the C7 is, right, it has a targa top, so the roof comes off and everything. It's actually a pretty cool thing. Maybe we got the C8.
Okay, I changed my mind. Red looks better.
Alright boys. Shit is wild.
लेकिन असली गाड़ी वो चलेगा
कौन सी?
कहीं पर भी जाएगी यार।
Bro, put these bitches on jacks and they're also going anywhere.
पक्की बात है, अच्छे पेट्रोल में चलेगी ये गाड़ी।
हाँ, it's a V8. Thank you for watching this stuff.
How does it feel? How does it feel being?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
How does it feel having fans meet you today?
I appreciate every single one of them. Thank you so much for coming out. It means a lot. This is like supercar category, now. It's not even a muscle car anymore. For me, guys, I'd put the C606 at the number 1. Number 2 is the C7. Number 3 is the C8. That's my hierarchy. So you have to choose them. You have to put them in 1, 2, 3 spot. 1 being the best.
One पे ये दोनों आ जाते हैं।
No. You have to choose. You have to choose. Don't you like the C7 better?
Bro, more than the C6.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
But more than the C8 is kind of difficult.
Really? So I think you like the C8 as number 1. C7 number 2 and C6 number 3? See, I have to say the front end, no? Front end is in. The front end is where it's at. I really don't like the fact that they went mid-engine with this, but they had to compete with Lambo and Ferrari some way, so... Alright boys, we got the infamous orange Katsura Orange GTR coming through. The titanium tips, man, on that GTR. The Stang is here. You can get like DJs on.
Party scene है।
Party scene. Like the DJ can literally be up there. Nobody can put that. Actually, like bro, decent idea, eh? C7 or the GTR, bro. Choose one life. All wheel drive or rear wheel drive.
That's stock. This isn't. If that were not stock, if that were customized, I would have chosen that.
But right now, we choose this.
No.
I agree. Chalo. I want to show you guys the event over here. RPS is opening. We're over here. We're supporting our friends. And we've got the C7 over here, Mustafa's. We've got Mustafa's Z06 over there, which is probably one of the wildest cars in the country. The C8 is a head turner regardless. It looks like a fucking Ferrari at the end of the day. And we've got the Katsura Orange GTR. The color on that car is absolutely chef's kiss. One thing I really love about this C7, I don't know if you guys have seen this properly, is that the interior is fucking blue. The car is also like a shade of blue, so it really complements it really, really well. So that's insane. In your factory condition, close to.
बस ये है ना RPS
जब से मैंने आपको गाड़ी दी है बोनट खोला आपने नहीं खोला ना
सिर्फ कूलेंट डालने के लिए खोला।
कूलेंट डालने के लिए
वो मेंटेनेंस है। Washer fluid maybe. हाँ, washer fluid and coolant. What do you think, mister?
यार ये इतना बड़ा क्यों?
This is what we get with Hashim. Whenever we bring him on, he asks the most fun questions ever. Why is it so big?
Yeah, man.
In my opinion, it's not big enough.
Oh, that's crazy, bro.
Bro, this car is blistering fast. That's what it is. When on top of that, when stage 2 tuned, it's a different animal. It's going to get stage 2 tuned. It's stock. Right now, it's stock.
Right now.
Stage 2 is happening in a few weeks.
तो कैसा रहा आपके लिए?
Bro, it was pretty fun. This event was interesting. We're leaving now. We're warming up the cars, and this is where we get to go home now. Will we come in?
I was expecting it to open ऊपर करके लेकिन
No. Why would it open ऊपर करके? Why would it open?
वॉल ही नहीं उस तरह।
No.
अच्छा?
No, they're all normal doors.